I'm pretty sure that silver garland just behind you there, sticking up out of the box that says Wreath and Xmas Decor, pretty sure that was not sticking out of the box when I put the box up there. Hey, look at that. Don't eat it. I have a bow. How can you resist the bow? Crinkly, crinkly bow. Good boy.